If you don't have time to sift through the newsletters or navigate through the headlines, I've got you covered in this one-stop shop video newsletter that is going to cover everything from the SteamVR on the Apple Vision Pro to Apple's insane $5 billion AI investment and lawsuits galore. Boy, oh boy, lots of lawsuits going on right now. If you're new here, my name is Nate. I'm keeping you informed on the biggest news in tech in 5 minutes or less. That's the goal of this video. If that's helpful to you, it helps me out if you hit that subscribe button and even consider subscribing to my newsletter. You can find that in the description below. First on the docket, I thought it was clickbait, but you can actually get SteamVR on the Apple Vision Pro. It's not as clean as it might think. It takes a great deal of hard work and it's uber expensive, but it is possible and the software behind it is actually really cool. I'm excited to see where that software or that idea and concept goes in the future. Second thing out there, speaking of clickbait, Tesla actually has a car, according to Elon Musk, the Roadster, that he claims can go not to 60 or 0 to 60 in under a second. Pretty wild. And the only thing I've seen so far is like visualizations of what it would look like. So I'm not 100% sure, but man, 0 to 60 in under a second, that doesn't even seem like it should be legal. OpenAI and Figure are going to partner on the next level of humanoid robots. Humanoids have been getting a ton of love lately. Personally, I think humanoid robots have a lot of downsides, but the main upside is that they can work in environments that were designed for humans to work in. And I don't know about you, but that is a lot of environments. They raised $675 million in the most recent round, and it is getting very, very interesting in the humanoid space as Figure and Tesla, the Optimus from Tesla, are kind of becoming that like versus battle between the two of them. So I'm really excited to see how that plays out. While we're talking about Elon Musk, by the way, Elon Musk opened a lawsuit against OpenAI, saying that the tech of his own former company, by the way, this is OpenAI he helped found, could harm civilization as we know it. This actually isn't a huge surprise. Elon has been pretty vocal against the advancements of AI and how fast it's happening, including, I want to say in spring of 2023, it would have been a big open letter last spring with tons of signatures on it from big name individuals expressing lots of concern about the advancement of AI and how fast it's happening and how we're not really prepared to, prevent some of the negative side effects of AI. And that's fair. There are fair arguments there. It's an interesting discussion. The SEC is also involved in investigating OpenAI, basically about whether or not they have misled their investors. Apple was hit with a class action lawsuit over iCloud. That's unfortunate. Meanwhile, Apple is planning to spend $5 billion in AI servers. That is a large investment. After spending a ton on it last year already, they're now taking another big step forward and investing in AI servers for the future of AI across all of the Mac devices, I'm imagining, or the Apple devices, excuse me. With the kill of the Apple car, Project Titan, this lines up really well with their push to double down on that front, which was about 2,000 workers. A good chunk of them are going to be moved to generative AI projects. So that's really interesting, I think. There is a full video on my Crazy Ones Tech News channel, by the way. I will link it below in the show notes as well in case you want to watch the full video and we talk about all of the implications of that. And the comments section on a video like that usually gets pretty exciting. So join the comments on there as well. I hope you found this informative. I stayed under 5 minutes, so I did my job. And I hope you learned something interesting. What we say on this channel is we think different, stay crazy.